Hey guys, what's up? This is Son from Team AA, and today we will be unboxing the BOYA by M1 microphone, which I bought from Daraz.pk, an online website, for $16. So stay tuned for the video.
Taking trips, cause I never tripped on what they said. If you speaking from your heart and they say you're gonna aim for your head.
So this is my first ever clip lapel microphone, and I'm really excited about it to see it's been termed as one of the best lapel microphones in its price. And I will be unboxing it. By opening the box you see a protective casing packaging, and on the box you see BOYA by M1. So let's open it. And after opening you see a barcode right down there, and I'm really excited, really excited to see what it's all about. You can see it is an omnidirectional microphone, so it will get your audio from any direction, and it is 65 Hz to 18 kHz its frequency response range, which is really nice, and the noise audio is 74 dB, which is also decent, and it is termed as a good lapel microphone for smartphones, DSLRs, and can be used with pretty much everything. You can even connect it to your laptop or PC desktop computer. So after opening the casing you see a opening without any kind of seals, but I guess it will be in a pouch as I've seen in online videos. So let me just open it. And so after opening this you get a pouch which is about really nice quality, and it is a decent thick pouch for your microphone, and inside this there is a huge wire, and it is a really long wire. So it's really decent to see that BOYA gave you this much wire for your coverage, and you can take it almost everywhere. I can even do 3 rounds of my house with this one. You can even use this as a rope. Just kidding. If you need to use DSLR camera, you can turn this to cameras, and if you want to use a smartphone you can do this on the bottom. On the DSLR it uses a bit more energy, and if you use it on a desktop computer or your smartphone it consumes less energy. In the box you get a pop filter, a clip to join it to your collar or your neck, and here is another one. This is an adapter to connect it to some various kind of inputs, and here is a LR44 battery which is here, and this is it about the unboxing. Inside you get a manual for control, which I guess you won't even need because it's that easy, and here is another guide which was given to me by BOYA, but it is also useless for me. So here is the BOYA M1 microphone, and here you can open it by scrolling, and you will get the option to put a cell here.
The audio you're hearing right now is directly from the BOYA M1 microphone, and this is the audio directly connected from the pin holder to the mobile device, and I've inserted the battery just right now to see how it sounds like, and you can hear the quality right now. Let me know in the comment section how was its quality, and I'm speaking very silently to check how much audio can it detect and how much noise levels will it detect in my video.